Hayagriva Madhava, since last part of 7th and beginning of 8th century, in between the Treta and Dapur Yug, it was established here. In 8th century, this place was full of jungles and all this and full of demons. Then this particular Hayasur, he disturbed Urva Rishi, didn't allow him to offer puja to Vishnu. Accordingly, Urva Rishi paid Vishnu that I am not in a position to offer any prayer to you because of this demon, Hayasur. Then Vishnu said, all right, I will go there and I will look into it. This is the only temple where Vishnu himself appeared physically. This is called Swayambhu. And then he fought with the demon. And when he is about to kill him, then Hayasur, he prayed to Vishnu that, Prabhu, you kill me, but you will have to promise something for me. My name should be in your name. So Vishnu gave this name as Hayagriva Madhava. Haya means appearance of horse, Giv means this is neck. So his name was there, and thereafter he was killed, and subsequently it was established. Vishnu, before living, was his body in a pond. That is why Vishnu Pushkar.
ইয়াতে আমাৰ 5জন বিগ্ৰহ আছে হয়গ্ৰী মাধৱ গোবিন্দ মাধৱ উৰিষ্যাৰ জগন্নাথৰ দ্বিতীয় অংশ বাসুদেৱ আৰু গৰুপক্ষী এই 5জন বিগ্ৰহ মাজত আমাৰ হয়গ্ৰী মাধৱত ইয়াতে তুলসী দান কৰিলে চকুত যে আমাৰ আচিনা হয় গাত যে দাগ পৰে ৰিষ্ট টিপা বা যদি বাধা বিঘিনি চলে ইয়াতে তুলসী দান কৰিলে মানৱটো সম্পূৰ্ণ হয় বুলি কয়
According to Buddhist mythology, the Mahamuni Buddhadev, he came here in 6th century. There in Kedar temple, there is a big sal tree. Inside the sal tree, he make prayer to the god. Subsequently, he died. His disciples, they cried with pain. Hajo. Hajo means their sunset. So accordingly, his dead body was cremated here, where now all the deities are there inside. And if you see this place, and this is a sign of the Buddhists. These are elephant motifs. There is a similarity with the Ellora cleft. Hajo is a confluence of 3 religious institutions, that is Hinduism, Buddhism and Islam. And 3 religious communities, they used to visit these places.
ইয়াতে যিমান মানে গহাই আছে গোটেই চাম বুলি আশা কৰি আছো আমি সেয়া আর কি আমি এটাও শুনিছো যে আমাৰ ইলা মানুহৰ মানে সম্পৰ্ক আছে মানে ভাই বনিৰ নিচিনাকে আর কি সেইকাৰণে আর কি আমি সেইকাৰণে বোলে গোটেইগিলাকে চাই যাম আর কি আমি বহুত দূৰৰ পৰা আহিছো